your laptop is fixed, just let me know, okay?
Yeah.
So
Yeah, I'll let you know. Like once I get the laptop and all these things are sorted, I'll
mm-hmm.
let you know.
Okay, great. So on that day we were getting some error related to define a fiscal area and period
Fiscal
for.
year, yeah.
Okay, so this error is related to the company code. Okay, so
Yeah.
the company code which we are using, like we have assigned this company code to our personal area LA05 uh,
Hmm.
to the Faridabad. Okay,
Hmm.
so what we can do, either we can change the company code assigned to our personal area. Okay, so if I
Mm-hmm.
go here and if I go to this enterprise structure and then in assignment, there I will be getting the option assignment of personal area to company code.
Mm-hmm.
And if I, yeah, this thing I don't like it. It makes it mandatory. Like, we have to give some,
Yeah.
nothing is there. Okay, no problem. Okay, so here we have given the company code at 0123.
Hmm.
So what we can do, we can change the company code. Okay,
So what is the issue that company code is like delimited?
I'm not sure because this is the error related to the what you can say company code. The company code is not set up correctly. Okay, so that's why this error
Okay.
is coming. This thing
So
is
this company code is created by you only?
no. These company codes and these cost center related things are maintained by the FICO consultant.
Finance, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so that's
So like
why
in this test mode, like how are you finding those company codes or cost centers?
here I am like directly finding it through this. Here it is saying na to select the sum of the company code. So here you can
Okay,
see
so the
either you
options are there.
either you can use function F4. Okay, so to
Mm-hmm.
select any of them, or either you can just you will see this magnifier glass is coming. Okay, either you can click on
Yeah.
this. So here you will get some company code. Okay, okay, now if we try to
Okay.
hire any employee under this, what you can say, under this personal area. Okay, let me give today's date. And if we try to hire this one employee under 05, position I'm giving any random position. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
we don't do. I'm hiring under BL4. Let me check. Now if I save it, okay, does not
Does
object file.
not exist.
Okay, so I think we have to use some different position. Okay, let me give any other position you can see. Edit feature numCare for number range. Okay, for this feature also we have to look into it. Silence.
But
Okay.
LA05 we have the
Actually, what we
maintain
have
the
done,
default
yeah,
number.
I will tell you. So if I
Mm-hmm.
go to this again, numCare 40,
Mm.
here it is the company code. Okay, and we have maintained
Okay,
this
yeah.
05 under 123. Okay,
Mm.
that's why it is giving us the error. Okay,
Yeah.
because the assignment is not correct. So what I can do,
Mm.
either I can delete this thing 123. Okay, one
Yeah.
second. I'm in display mode, so let me go to the change mode. 40 and let me remove this first from here. First, let me delete this thing. Yes,
Mm.
I will also delete this one. Okay. Let me check if there is any error. Okay, so I will add the new company code which I have assigned my employee. Okay, so I forgot what was the company code. Let me just try. Okay, so I will try to add another company code. I will click on this create icon.
Mm-hmm.
What was the company code? You remember? Renew something, Ranura, this one.
Yeah, 0126. Yeah.
So under this, I will be adding my personal area,
Mm.
field for
Yeah,
decision,
field of decision operation. Mm.
personal
Then
area.
I'll select personal area, transfer, and then I'll click on this LA05.
Okay, so here I have to give some return number range.
Hmm.
Yeah. What was the number range I have given for this one? I think 06 I have given, na?
Blank. No, we just put blank.
Blank for
Acha,
otherwise.
yeah. Yeah, 06.
Hmm. For this otherwise we will blank.
Hmm.
I will check if there is any error. Okay, I have directly activated it. ठीक है, I don't think there will be any error.
Hmm.
So if I again try, let me SP does not exist. One second. Okay, this is why it is happening. I have to change the plan version first. 01. Let me check again. See, one error is coming.
Object
Uh,
position does not exist.
this position does not exist. SV is there. Okay, so
Hmm.
what I did in my previous class, I have set up the plan version as I think I have activated the plan version as SV as the active plan version. Okay, so the
Okay.
what system is picking? System is checking the value based on the plan version SP. Okay, and we have
Hmm.
created this position under the uh, current
Current
plan.
plan.
Okay,
Yeah.
so I have also told you there was one table SM30. You may have forgotten. So the table name is
Yeah, essentially. Yeah,
T7.
S77S0.
Yeah. So if we go to maintain and if we group name is Plogi and what was the value? Here you can see
Hmm.
the current active plant manager is set as SP. Okay. So
SP, yeah.
that's why in the error you are seeing this value.
Yeah. Hmm. And
This
SB does not exist. Yeah.
so this position does not exist in this plan version. Okay. So if I change
Okay.
this back to 01,
Mm-hmm.
then if I again click on enter and if I save it, okay.
Hmm.
So if I click on enter, now,
Hmm.
okay, I have to go back. Let me hire this employee again. So by just looking at the error, if we know what needs to be done, we can identify uh,
Hmm.
where is the error. So if I click on enter, if I click on save,
Yeah.
and now it is saying assignment to feature AVKRS did not take place.
Yeah.
For what purpose AVKRS is used?
Payroll area.
Yeah, great. So we are not going there, and we are not going to maintain this AVKRS. Okay. So I will
Hmm.
just give any random payroll area. Okay, let me give LA. You know how to set up this, na? Okay,
Yeah.
for this one also 0126. Uh, there it is not properly linked. Okay. So what I will do, I will go to 003 because I know this one is a like one of the
Hmm.
correct personal area. Okay, so I will add my personal area on this one only.
LA
Or
05.
mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And I will add my
Yeah.
return value, na? Return value
Hmm.
will be 06.
06.
Okay, and I have to remove this personal area from here. So what I will do, I will select it and delete it.
Hmm.
The selected nodes and subtrees will be deleted. So it is saying the
Hmm.
nodes under this one will also be deleted. So LA under 0,
Deleted.
LA, we have defined LA as it. Now I will check if there is any error. No error is
Hmm.
there. So now if I again go and save it, now I will check if any error is coming. So it is giving the same error. So what we have to go back again and we have,
Yeah.
because we have given the, like we have made some changes. Okay. So
Yeah.
it is saying this entry deletes our record. Why it is saying? Because
Yeah.
we already
Because
created,
previously,
yeah, we have created the record for this employee.
IT 0.
Now if I
So this
save,
record will override that previous record.
yeah, great. Okay, now it is coming to this one. If I give LA,
Hmm.
then if I save it. Now it is saying, please
Yeah,
enter.
personal sub area I need to provide.
Yeah. Okay, so sub area it is sector 7. Now you will see why it is picking up 126 again. We have put this value under 03.
It has taken the company code as 0126
Hmm.
C91.
Oh, okay. It is happening because we haven't assigned this personal area to the 003 under the enterprise structure. Got it?
Hmm.
We also have to properly link the what you can say, the personal area with the correct company code, na? So
Company code, yeah.
okay. So if I again go
Hmm.
back to LA05, you will see I haven't linked the existing company code
Hmm.
is coming as 00126.
0126. Yeah,
So if I
exactly.
again yes, and if I will save it, so let me click on enter again. Let me see. Okay.
No, that will be taken.
So like here you are identifying that how to
Hmm.
tackle these errors. Okay.
Yeah.
How, if this error comes, what does this mean? If this error come, what does
Hmm.
this mean? So it will help you to analyze the issues.
Yeah.
Okay. So if you have a system understanding, if you know what it is and
Hmm.
what does this mean and where this error has been come from.
Need to provide sub area.
So now it is asking us to save. Okay. So now it is not
Hmm.
giving any error. Okay.
Yeah.
So again, if I It will go to the other info types. Okay, and it will ask us to save the data. Okay, so okay, so now let me go to the other topic. So now we have done this. Now I will go to number range. Also I have defined. Now the next thing is info type menus. Okay, so first I will tell you what is an info type menu.
Hmm.
So here you are seeing these some icons are there. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, so these are the info types menus. Okay, in this lot
Yeah.
of info types are there. Okay, so this is one
Hmm.
of the info type menu, and these info types are coming under this info type menu. If I go to
Yeah.
this,
Basic.
these info types come. Okay, if I go to this,
Hmm.
and how we create info type menu. Okay, so
Okay.
for this we have to go to the personal management.
Hmm.
Under personal management, you will go to personal administration. There
Hmm.
you will be seeing one tab is there, customizing procedure. Okay. So if you
Okay.
click on it, you will see another tab that is info type menu, and here it will
Info type
ask
menu.
you to create your info type menu. Okay. So here I will go. I will select this. So first I will select this one, user group dependency on menus and info groups.
Hmm.
So here you are seeing some menus are there. Okay. So if you go this, I have created one of the menu as LA personal data. So how you
Hmm.
create your info type menu? You have to click on the new
New
entry,
entries.
give your
Okay.
info type menu name. So I will give another name as LV
Hmm.
personal data. Any random
Okay.
name if you want, you can give. I mean, you can create your own info type menu. Okay.
Okay.
It will be user dependent. Yes. Okay. And
Okay.
reaction, we generally keep it as blank. The menu for the user group is displayed. The menu for the specified reference error, no menu is displayed. Okay. So generally we will keep this value as blank.
Hmm.
How will I remove this? Reference user group we will give as either our reference user group 40 or
Okay.
99, anything we give. We are generally working for India, so we will be giving as
Hmm.
40. Okay.
Okay.
Here, suppose if someone is trying to access this menu, then
Hmm.
reaction if it is from the same user group like for I have maintained it for 40. If someone is giving someone is using this menu from user group 40, no message will be come. And in other case, if someone is trying to look into this menu, and if he belongs to another user group, he will get either he will get the warning, or if either he will get the error. Okay, for the same user group we will not be getting any issue, and if
Yeah.
some other user group is trying to access it, we will get a warning. Or either if we
Okay.
set as w, the warning will come. Either if we set as error, it will not allow us to see that menu. Okay, so
Okay.
here I'm not. Okay, so we will click on save. Okay, so I have given this some of the name as LV as for my own created user menu. Okay, info type menu.
Hmm.
Okay, so now I will go to this tab, info type menu, and I will give my menu name as LV.
Hmm.
Okay, and I will decide what info type I want to give there under my menu
Okay.
LV.
Hmm.
LV is there, LV personal data. I will select it, and here I have the option to give the uh,
Okay.
menu, what you can say, the list of info type and their sequence. Okay,
Hmm. Yeah. Yeah.
so I can create this menu for what you can say other user groups as well. Okay, like the employees who are belonging to US, who are belonging to Canada, who are belonging to Australia, I can decide the menu. Okay. So suppose if I'm creating
Okay.
for India, I will give
Yeah.
40,001 and I will be showing some info types. Screen I want, if I want, I can give it as blank. Info type screen control, many for continuous. Many for continuous cannot or should not only maintain on. Okay, so this is not the required field as of now. Okay, and we will go to 40. Then we will give the next info type we want to display in our info type menu. And 4003 I will give as 02 40 04 007. Okay, so suppose for Indian user group employees, I will want to see these info type under this person menu. And for
Hmm.
US based employee, I want these info type 001 00 02 01 02 34 is the sequence. Okay, so first the info
Yeah.
type will be in the list, second in organized assignment, third one personal data, then planned working time.
Or we can like segregate the info types like personal like uh, basic data, then it is 0, 1, 2, 6, and then
Yeah, yeah,
time data like 7,
yeah,
and
yeah,
then
yeah,
2010,
yeah, exactly.
and then
Exactly. So we can create
mm,
our info type menu based on these scenario. Okay, I can create the personal data
okay.
related where 0, 1, and 2 would be there.
Hmm.
I can create my other personal menu related to time data, where
Yeah.
info type like 07, 2001, 2, 3,
Hmm.
and I can create related to payroll info types.
Yeah. Then benefits also.
Yeah, info type 14, info type 15. So
Hmm.
okay. So I will show you. So see, for 40 user group for Indian user group, I have decided these info types, and for
Mm-hmm.
the US user group, I have decided these.
US. Yeah.
Okay. So now I will
Okay.
save it. Okay. And if I go there in the PA20, you will
Mm-hmm.
see we are only seeing these menus: BSP in personal data, time data, LA personal data. Okay.
Yeah.
And I have created my own menu, and what I want hmm, I want this menu to be included in the PA20 screen. Okay. So what I will do,
Yeah.
I will go to this another tab, determine choice of info
Mm-hmm.
type menus. I will select this one, info type menus,
Mm-hmm.
and
And I will then.
this screen is related to PA20 display HR master data. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
in this screen, I want my another personal menu, LV personal data menu to be
LB. Yeah.
added. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So what I will go do is I will select first the PA20 screen from this menu. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
here it is HR master data. So I will be selecting this one,
Mm-hmm.
and when I click on the tick icon, I will see some specific info type menus are coming. Okay, so if
Mm-hmm.
the user group is 0, then these pay data, net payroll, payroll supplement menu will come. Uh,
Yeah.
Let me first close this one, and this one is also not required. Okay, for user group 0, some different menu would be there. Okay, and
Mm-hmm.
for one some different menu would be there. My focus is on in user group 40, that is for Indian related employees. Okay, so here you can see on the first number this BSPIN personal data should display. On this second number time data should display. On the third number LA
Mm-hmm.
personal data should display. Okay, so what I do, I will replace this 13 number with my created menu. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so let me just select what is the my menu number. I think should be LV. Mm-hmm. LV is here. LV personal data. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So if I click on enter, it will come LV personal data. And once I save it, not a bother to us. It is saved in now. It already saved. Okay. So if I again go back to PA20 screen, you see another menu is added. Earlier it
Yeah.
was BSP and personal data, time data, and LA personal data, and under LA
Mm.
personal data, no info types were added. Okay.
Mm.
But now it is coming as LV personal data, and these info types are coming. Okay.
Yeah.
And now if I go and if I so this menu, which is the like this feature dialog window, choose info type menu, is basically adding our menu under this master data screen, and also it is also
Mm-hmm.
defining the sequence number. Okay, so on the third number it is coming. If I give the number as 01 there, for
Mm.
example, if I remove this 01 and if I give the LV number here, then on the first number this menu will come. Okay.
Okay.
So if I give the LV under the number in front of 01, let me just replace it. And here I will give 01. So if I again go back to the PA20 screen, I think it got saved. PA20. So here you can see it is coming on the first number.
Mm.
Okay. And now what I will do, I will also, so this menu is coming for user group 40. Okay. But if I select the user group 10,
Mm.
and if someone who is belonging to user group 10 and he is going to see under the this display data screen, then what info type menu will come for him. Okay, so for him this sequence will come. Okay, so first let me see this screen is coming because our user parameter are saved as for as a 40. Okay, so
Yeah.
what if I try to change the user parameter for me? Okay,
Yeah.
so
Mm.
if I go to parameters and I will replace
Mm.
40 as 10
Mm.
under the Molga is related to the company number. Okay,
Country. Yeah.
sorry, country. And
Mm.
if I save this one as 10, okay, so either you can
Mm.
change the parameter through SU3,
Yeah.
or either you can go to system, user profile,
Systems. Yeah. User profile and then
then
own data.
yeah. So if I go to this user profile own data, then again I will go
Own
to the
data.
same screen, same screen.
Same page. Yeah.
Okay, and also you can see the transaction code for this screen, SU3. Okay, through
Mm.
here you can also see the. So
Yeah.
now if I go and see the PA20 screen, see now something different menu is coming. Okay, because we have changed our
Mm.
user parameter as 10.
Change. Yeah.
Okay, so if I go to this again, and if I change this 0111 BSP in pay menu, then if I give the LV here, okay,
Mm.
and if I save it, and if I go to this PA20 screen again,
Mm.
now see this LV personal data is also coming for user group who is like who's belonging to US. So you can see,
US. Yes.
but you may have noticed the difference for user group 40. We are getting the four info type 001, 02, 07,
010. Yeah.
and for this
Yeah, because for Molga 10, we maintained only three info types, 0, 1,
yeah,
and then 6.
yeah,
For
exactly.
40, we maintained four info types, 0, 1, 6, and 7.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I want to convey.
Mm.
So if I go to this screen, I will see for 10, I have only defined these three info types, and
Zero
for
one.
40,
Yeah.
okay. So
Mm.
this is our like info type menu. Okay. Now next topic is the info groups. Okay, and personal action, and
Mhm.
so this is a big topic, but just I will show you how these info groups and personal action are maintained. Whatever we can cover, we will try to cover it. Okay.
Okay.
So under customizing procedure, under this, we have covered the info type menu. We will also having the actions. Okay. So under this, we will
Okay.
define the info groups. Okay. We will be
Mhm.
also setting up the personal actions, and then we will be also
Okay.
setting the reason. We will be also defining the reason for personal action, and also we will
Mhm.
be using this change action menu. Okay. So if I go to
Okay.
/OFA40,
Mhm.
so these are the personal actions. Okay.
Yeah.
So one of the personal action I have created from my end as LA info group hire. Okay. So first let me change the parameter. Okay. Because I will mostly working on this Indian related things.
Mm.
Okay. So let me change as 40. Again, I will save as 40. If I go to PA40, now you can see the menu has been changed, and under this we
Mm.
are seeing different action types of the personal action.
Actions. Yeah.
Okay. So under these personal action, these are the personal action. So we will be also creating our own personal action as LV hire. Okay. And
Mm.
you can see it is LA hire is coming on the number 2. Okay. So
Mm.
this is the action menu. So we can also uh, like give the sequence for our recently created personal action. So if I go to action menu, and if I
Mm.
will select the personal action menu, this one actions,
Mm.
I can also, what you can say, for the user group 40, I can also give the sequence for this. Okay. So if I want to put the LA higher at the top, then I can just on the
Mm.
00 number, I can give the 22 here. So it will come automatically under this first number. Okay. So
Okay.
through action menu, we can like define the sequence of our personal action. Okay.
Mm.
And then personal action. So now like I will create the define info groups. Okay. So we'll select first
Okay.
define info groups, and first I will go to info group. Let me
Mm.
see what is the first one. Okay. So first we will select this user group dependency on menu and info group. Okay.
Mm.
And we can create our what you can say, we can define our new info group here. Okay. So this one is
Mm.
already existing as LA info group hiring. So I will
Yeah.
create another new entry, and I will give LV or
Yeah.
LV higher. Okay.
Okay.
And here it is saying it will it be a user dependent? Yes,
Mm.
it will be a user dependent. Okay, because for example, for India we will be performing some different action. For US we will
Mm.
be performing some
Yeah.
different actions. Okay, so reference user group I can give as 40 or as 99. Anything you can go. Okay, so I will save it. Okay, after this LVR at what number it is coming? Okay, I have given LV as the menu. Okay, I have given the menu number as LV. Okay, so
Yeah.
now I will go back to this. Now I will go to info group. Info group
Mm.
modifier, it will take us to the IG mode feature. Okay, so we
Yeah.
will go back to it later. First, we will go to this info group. So, info group. Here it is LV higher. Okay.
Mm.
So now we'll select this. Under this, we will be creating the what you can say the what are the info types which will get executed when will be
Yeah,
doing the hiring. Okay. So,
hiding. Okay.
yeah. So what we will do, we will create a new entry.
New entry.
Now we
Yeah.
are defining it basically for info type or user group 40. Okay.
40. Yeah.
Info group modifier, we will work on it later. Okay. Now I think this one is related to the sequence number. Okay.
Mm.
You can enter a sequence
Mm.
number in this field. So which one will be executed first? Okay. So I will give this one
Yeah.
as
01.
okay. And this one operation. Okay.
Mm.
So what we will doing when we will be doing the hiring. Okay. So what we will doing, we will be creating the employee or creating the
Yeah.
employee data. Okay. Because when
Okay.
we will be doing the termination, we will select this delete
Mm-hmm.
one. Okay. Or this delimit
Yeah.
one. Here we are, what we are doing is we are hiring the employee. So we will give the insert,
Mm.
like we will be creating the data. Okay.
Creating the data. Yeah.
Hmm. Okay. Now it
Mm.
will ask for what will the info type is, it will get executed. So we will be selecting
Yeah.
info type 0
Zero
0.
zero zero zero.
Okay. And I
Mm.
think SC is related to uh, screen control.
Yeah.
Okay. So this one is not much required, so we can leave it.
Mm.
And any subtype also we want to create. So for info while doing the hiring, we are not uh, what you can say creating any subtype.
The,
So
yeah.
we will leave it as blank. Okay. Another action we will be performing is what you can say
Mm.
next info type which will get
Yeah.
executed
Insert.
is
Yeah.
uh,
Then 0001.
what it is doing. Okay, so Isika, we are
Yeah.
just remaining with the 1 minute. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so this is a very vast topic. So once you come back, okay,
Yeah.
we will cover this. Okay, so
Okay.
just try to cover till this part, till the info type
Yeah.
name. Okay,
Mm. Yeah.
ठीक है. चलो फिर आप मेरे को बता देना कि
Yeah. I'll let you know.
हाँ, और कोशिश करना लैपटॉप सही हो जाए तो ये चीज क्या कहते हैं जो बाकी के जो
Like
क्लासेस में
I'll try these things. Yeah. I'll try to
हाँ
make these changes in the system.
या प्रैक्टिकल करना जिससे कि मतलब आगे की चीजें आपको समझ में
Hmm.
आए ज्यादा अच्छी तरह से.
Yeah. Yeah. That is why I thought of told you telling you like we can do it after